Hey guys, welcome to my channel Decode HR, and today we are going to talk about recruitment. So what is recruitment? Recruitment is hiring the right talent for a particular position at right time. Sounds simple, right? But it is not. Recruitment is one of the most tiring work for HR professionals, especially when they have to work on multiple positions. Let me explain it step by step. When a position gets vacant or created in a particular department, the head of that department will notify HR department through mail or through SRF. SRF is called Staff Requisition Form. That means all the details regarding that particular vacant position will be mentioned in that SRF form, like skills required, qualification required, experience required. So whatever they require for that particular position, all the details will be filled in that particular form and sent to HR department. Now HR will work on that particular position and check the urgency of that particular vacant position. Okay, after that HR will be taking approvals if needed through higher management or through higher authority. Once the approval for that particular position is given, HR starts to work on that particular position. They have to do analysis like what kind of candidate that particular department is requiring, what are the skill sets and what are the qualifications they require. About all these details they have to do a mental preparation about that candidate, like yes, they want this type of candidate, and on the basis of that the HR will look for the particular candidate. HR may use various sources like connections or job portals to look for that particular candidate. The CVs of the candidates who matches the criteria are shortlisted. Now, the candidates of the shortlisted CVs are contacted and the details are collected through telephonic rounds. Further shortlisted candidates are sent for the second round of interview, which might be the technical round and will be with the concerned departmental head. The candidates who are selected in the second round are sent to HR department for further negotiations. Now, if the candidate is selected in the final round 2, the candidate is believed to be selected and offer letter is released to that particular candidate. But wait, the process doesn't end here. We cannot expect that candidate to join until he joins, because the candidate may back out for multiple reasons. So, HR always keep a backup for this particular situation. Hence, our recruitment takes a lots of effort and a very positive approach to get a right candidate. So this is all about our today's video. Hope you liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.